Title: Building a Sustainable Workout Routine. Your Path to Long-Term. Fitness Success Background. Music fades in narrator N. Are you ready to embark on a journey toward a sustainable workout routine?
A routine that will not
Only help you reach your fitness goals, but also take care of your overall well-being? Well, you're in the right place.
in this guide, we'll
Show you
how to create a sustainable
workout routine that becomes a life-changing habit. So let's get started, and step 1 is setting realistic goals. It's essential to start with clear objectives that align with your overall fitness aspirations. Whether you want to lose weight, build muscle, improve endurance, or enhance flexibility, having specific and measurable goals will keep you on track and motivated. And next, it's time to choose workouts that you genuinely enjoy. If you dread your workouts, it will be challenging to maintain consistency. Experiment with various activities like running, swimming, yoga, dancing.
or weightlifting too.
Find what suits you best. Remember, the key to sustainability is finding joy and fulfillment in your exercises. Now, let's talk about frequency and duration. To create a sustainable workout routine, it's crucial to strike a balance between challenging yourself,
And allowing
sufficient time for recovery. Start by scheduling workouts
at least 3 to
5 days per week, allowing for rest days in between.
gradually increase the duration and
Intensity of your workouts as your fitness level improves. And remember, it's not just about exercise. Nutrition plays a vital role in sustaining
an effective routine. Fuel your body with a balanced diet consisting of lean proteins,
whole grains,
fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Stay hydrated and avoid skipping meals.
as proper nutrition will
Give you the energy needed.
to power through your.
Workouts and recover afterward.
And another key aspect,
Of sustainable fitness is listening to your body. Recognize the signals it sends you, such as fatigue, soreness, or injuries,
don't push yourself too hard.
or neglect proper warm-ups and stretches. Incorporating flexibility and mobility exercises can help
Prevent injuries.
and provide a
Well-rounded workout routine. And
accountability is essential.
for long-term success, consider finding a workout buddy or joining a fitness community.
To keep you motivated and accountable.
Share your progress, challenges, and achievements with others
Who share the same passion.
for a healthy lifestyle. Finally, celebrate your victories, both big and small,
Every milestone reached.
should be acknowledged and celebrated to keep your motivation high.
Reward yourself with a massage, a new workout outfit, or a day off from the gym.
Treat yourself kindly.
And pat yourself on the back for
The commitment you've shown to your.
sustainable workout routine.n. So there you have it. Follow these steps, set realistic goals, choose enjoyable workouts, be mindful of frequency and duration.
Focus on nutrition, listen to your body, seek accountability, and celebrate your successes. By following these guidelines, you'll be well on your way to creating a sustainable workout routine that becomes an integral part of your life. Narrator's voice fades out.
And the background music fades out.